Sometimes pattern changes are made to a style after a marker is already made. In these cases, use the Substitute Style tool to replace the style file in the marker with the new or updated style file. For example, this camisole was changed from a V-neck to a rounded neck, and the waist was slightly taken in. Save the pattern with changes as a new Tuka design style file. In TUKAmark, go to File, Substitute Styles, or click the Substitute tool. In the Substitute dialog, click the three dots to select the new or updated style file. The Current Styles section displays all style files in the marker file. If there are multiple styles, select which style to substitute. The Sizes Substitution section displays the current size list on the left, and the new size list on the right. To manually map the new sizes to the old sizes, select the old size, then choose which new size to replace it with. Choose the Delete option to delete the old size from the file. Choose the No Substitute option to use the old size instead of the new size. Follow the same logic to map the new pieces to the old pieces, in the Pieces Substitution section. The small preview windows display the shape of the old piece compared to the shape of the new piece. Leave the Delete Unused option ticked on, to simply replace the old pieces with the new pieces. Untick this option to keep the old pieces in the marker file. Click OK, and the old pattern pieces have been updated in the Pieces bar and the marker work area with the new pattern pieces.